welcome to my channel. And here's my comfy bed, and it's really comfy for the kids be sleep in my comfy bed. And
can you jump nicely?
And yeah, but it's
Ooh.
not little bit bouncy.
It's not bouncy.
Yeah.
Is it hard?
Yeah. And it's really hard. And look at my pretty blanket. And for sleeping, we have to give our blanket. If we don't give the blanket, then you will be cold.
Okay. Right now we will go to the market.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Now, and today we are here to my new room. Hi guys, welcome to my new room. And today we are here to my market. Today we are here to our room. This is only ours.
Only ours. Mama and Gigi's, right?
Then I said shoot to Abu and Amma, and they go to the others room.
Okay. This is only Mama and Gigi's room.
Yeah.
Now let's go to the market. We are getting late now. We are going to the market.
Oh,
Say
bye.
bye-bye. We are going to the market.
Bye-bye. We are going to the market.
And we are going to show you the market today. Nepal's market.
This is the other room with the kitchen.
What?
Mamali.
You can eat it.
All these are fresh, Mama.
Yes.
I will go alone on TV now.
Come.
Come on, quick.
Don't run too fast, Zhiden. Hold my hands.
Let's get Only go.
Oh, even this side na macha.
Mama, leave it.
Nayo, Gigi, listen.
This is what the morning market looks like in Boudhanath Stupa, and we are heading towards Nani's kitchen to have some breakfast.
Inside, Zhiden. Inside, come. They don't make ice cream right now. First, we have to eat breakfast. Oh, they will give it in the daytime. It's okay.
Mommy, show me the picture.
What picture? Let me take a video. This is
So relaxing.
yeah, Gigi breakfast.
Nah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. The cheese one is?
Cheese this one.
This
Cheese
one.
yogurt for the muesli,
Okay.
and the fruit
What is
salad,
this?
and the bread and muffin with butters and jam.
Thank you. Okay, let me see. This is all cheese, Gigi.
My favorite watermelon.
Yes. Eat it.
We got the milk instead of yogurt. And this is cheese. I think 2 different kind of cheese. The fruits and the view. We have done our breakfast and we are heading out right now. Wow, look at these paintings. There are so many pretty paintings. Since it is our last day, so we just gonna chill around and just roam around the market. So let's go.
이건 진짜.
Hello, guys.
Oh my God. Just it. We are at Kelsang.
Lamsa.
We are at Kelsang. Kelsang Thakali Zankare.
Please, ma'am, I want to wake up in my morning. Please, I want to wake up in my morning. Please, I want to wake up in my night, ma'am. And I want to say you questions.
Yes. Ask me.
When do you like? You have to carry anything you want. You don't like? You don't have to carry anything.
Okay.
With something, you have to carry with a stick,
Okay.
the balloon.
Okay.
If you want balloon, you don't have to carry it. If you don't want balloon, you don't have to carry it. If
Okay.
you want balloon, you have to carry it.
Okay.
like this. Like I got it to the monkey temple, and you have to
Now ask the question.
hold your parents' hand and look for anything you want.
Okay.
So this is the end of this video. Yes, you come tomorrow.
Okay, bye. How spicy it, Zhiden? Helen, you remember it?
But you forgot. Where is it?
I kept it with the auntie. कहाँ तो खा लो फिर सुबह 8 बजे खाची Elsa chocolate kıstı pura yedin yedin Sarva.
Mama, I want to stand.
I think it's off.
They are busy watching my YouTube channel.
What is this, Tukta?
So, right now, all the close relatives are gathered at home for the yoga. That's the groom and his family. Everyone is excited and there is this.
I just can't believe that we are going tomorrow, and I just love this place. The location, the room, the people, and everything was like so good. Thank you for watching, guys, and please do subscribe to my channel and like this video. See you next time. Bye bye.